Cullen here with how to add your project idea for your startup or business to the Silicon Beach Group website. Once you've logged in using your email and password or social account, click Community at the top of the screen, then choose Projects. Next, click Manage Your Project. You'll see any current projects and a button that will let you add a new one. Simply give your project a title and enter your URL. Give us an idea of your financial status, like seeking investment, Series A, IPO or something else, and tell the community what kind of help you're looking for. This could be finding a co-founder, marketing advice, or something broader like community support or business mentoring. To upload a logo or photo, click Choose File and choose an image from your computer. Next, add a short description, then give some more information in the detailed description section. You can include links, photos, and other formatting here. Finally, click Create to share your project with our community. Once it's listed, we'll help you to gain traction for your startup or business. Check out the emails you get in the welcome pack for some great resources. Check out my other videos to help you use the site and keep up to date by clicking subscribe today.